Good morning, everybody. You're all very welcome to Meet the Buyer 2024. We have a real mix of people in the room today from many sectors right across Northern Ireland. This is really your opportunity to get to know other people in the room and to start to make those connections and to work out how you can do more business with other people, other businesses in this room.
So Meet the Buyer provides unique access to a number of large recognised businesses within Northern Ireland. I really hope you enjoy the morning and make some valuable connections. Thank you so much and enjoy.